I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal tasty. To start, ditch the water and cook your oats with milk or a plant-based alternative for a much creamier texture and richer flavor. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt. It truly brightens all the other ingredients. Finally, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener, like maple syrup or honey, right at the end for perfect sweetness. Next, let's talk texture and added goodness. For an incredibly creamy and satisfying bowl, stir in a tablespoon of your favorite nut butter, like almond or peanut. To boost the nutritional value and achieve a thicker consistency, add a teaspoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds. And for a burst of natural sweetness and vitamins, mix in about 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen fruit. Now, let's add some exciting flavors with spices and toppings. A dash of cinnamon or nutmeg, about 1/4 teaspoon, can transform your oatmeal with warm, aromatic notes. For a delightful textural contrast, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts, such as walnuts or pecans, on top. And if you're feeling extra indulgent, a small drizzle of cream or a splash of your favorite milk can make it truly luxurious. For the ultimate oatmeal experience, consider toasting your dry oats in a pan for a few minutes before adding liquid. This brings out a wonderfully nutty, deeper flavor. If you're short on time, overnight oats are a fantastic option for a quick, delicious breakfast. Just combine your ingredients the night before and wake up to a ready-to-eat meal. And hey, while you're making your mornings better, remember life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.